It's definitely unique. That's all we need today. I think it's going to be fun, so don't go anywhere. Today we're going to see how a color photo transfer works and how it compares to the black and white version. Photo transfer simply means taking a printed photo and placing it or transferring it to another surface, like wood or canvas or metal, any surface, anything. The obvious value of this process is that you can take any image you printed with your inkjet printer or laser printer and transfer it to any other surface you want. Also, the beauty of this process is that it produces images that are unique and charming. Okay, so let's start now. So today we're going to use a photo printed with a laser printer, but since I don't have a color laser printer at home, here's what I did. So I printed my color photos with my home inkjet printer. I took my inkjet prints over to my local copy center and made copies of my photos on their color photocopy machine. So yeah, even if you don't have a laser printer at home, hopefully you too can go to your local copy center and get a nice photocopy. So to make a photo transfer, we can use many different mediums, like gel mediums or glue, blender pen, or essential oils. But I'm going to use acetone or nail polish remover. So yeah, I'm going to use acetone today because it's instant and it doesn't have a lingering smell. But obviously it's a chemical, so make sure you're working in a well-ventilated area and don't breathe the fumes in. Don't do that. And always read the warning on the back of your product. You can use the nail polish remover, but it has to be 100% acetone or it won't work. This nail polish remover has acetone, but in small concentrations, so it's not going to transfer our image. So I'm going to transfer one of these photos, but first let's transfer the black and white one, which I printed at home with my laser printer. And I printed a mirror image on standard copy paper. And again, if you don't have a laser printer at home, you can always make a photocopy of your black and white photo as well. Okay, so since this is just a test, I'm going to transfer the photo to cardstock paper. I place it face down and use removable tape to tape the photo down on one side only, so I can easily check on the progress of my transfer. I use a cotton ball to apply the acetone to a small area on the back of the print until the photo is visible, and I use a card to burnish and transfer the photo. And I do it until the acetone dries and the image is not visible anymore. So I lift the paper to check on the progress of my transfer. It's looking good. Okay, I think the transfer is ready. It's very sticky, so I have to remove it carefully. And if you like this process, you're going to love my book, the Mixed Media Photography book. Check it out, it's on Amazon. Okay, so now let's transfer the color photo. And as you can see, the process is pretty much the same. I have to say, one of the main differences I see right away is that the color transfer is not sticky like the black and white was. And it moves around quite a bit. And if you like this video, it will be great if you like it and subscribe. I make this type of videos every week and you don't want to miss one. Come back, we will do it again. So back to our color transfer. As you can see, the results are quite different. The black and white turned out bolder and more pronounced, while the color one is kind of faint and has a sweet painterly effect, which I obviously really like. I hope you like it too. And I find it to be true also with other type of transfer methods. You can see here it has more of a painterly look rather than a photograph. Also, another difference between the two is the paper they are printed on. The paper used in the copy center is a higher quality paper than the one I use at home. So your choice between using black and white or color photos really depends on your taste and also depends on your project and whatever you want your final piece to look like. Let me know in the comments below which one you like better, or maybe like me, you like both. For me, one of my favorite ways to use this color transfer method is when I return from a trip. I select a few photos, I make photocopies, and then transfer them inside my travel journal to record and document the trip. And then it's really fun looking back and remembering all these special moments. I guess it's like a photo album, but with more of a personal touch and more artistic. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. It's gonna be fun to test to see if they're the same or different or images that are unique and not to say charming. Ouch, something fell. Here, right here. Don't go anywhere. I recommend this book. Never mind. The obvious value of this, also the, but since I don't have a color laser printer, come back, you won't regret it. I hope so. I messed up. More faint. You can see here it has, and if you like this video and want to see more like this, click here.